Phylum Arthropoda.
Subphylum?
Subphylum
Hexapoda. Class?
Hexapoda.
Class Insecta.
Insecta. Superorder?
Exopterygoda.
Exopterygoda. Order?
Orthoptera.
Orthoptera. Let's do inside first. Malpighian tubules.
Malpighian tubules are going to be right here.
That's correct.
Let me get a better look, please.
Right here.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and how about a trachea?
Right here.
Not convinced.
Right here.
No.
What?
Move that stuff to your right. Very gently.
Your trachea.
Your right is the other direction.
Do all of this to the right?
No. Take the whole glob and push it to the right.
Yeah. Like
Oh, there we go.
There you go.
push it very gently. And you saw it right there. See it sticking up as you push. Go ahead and push. Real soft, and you see it.
It's like sticking out. It's like this thing right here.
Yep. See the connector between that mass and the body wall?
Yeah.
Right here.
Watch. Go ahead, pull, and it'll stand up. See it stand up? Oh, snap.
Right here.
Well, it's not there anymore, but it's like a little membrane.
Yeah,
Kind of.
yeah. It's a channel too. We'll show you on the video when it comes back.
Okay.
Can we see the crop, please?
This.
Unfortunately, you didn't cut up far enough.
This one should be behind the.
The crop is underneath the peritoneal shield.
There it is.
Right there.
There it is. Good. She's in there pointing with a scalpel.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
How are your fingers now?
Right there.
That is
That's the
it.
crop.
Okay. Where's the head?
Here.
Right there.
Where's
Here.
the compound eye?
Right here.
There.
Antenna?
Right here.
Can you show me the labrum?
Right
the
here.
labrum. Yep. Can you show me the maxilla?
Maxilla.
Those are the
Right
ones.
here.
Okay, labium, please.
Labium should be right here.
Can you push it down? Okay, good. Good.
Gosh, so hard to see.
Yep. And then
Okay.
labial palp, please.
Labial palp right here.
Maxillary palp.
Maxillary palp right here.
We got them backwards.
Maxillary palp. Labial palp.
Good. Mandibles.
Mandibles.
It's also that.
I know.
Flip the labrum up. It's easy
I'm
to
trying
see.
to.
It takes a very steady hand.
Labrum prop is here.
I know. I'm trying to do both at the same time.
We got a glimpse of it there for a second.
This thing.
There
There you are.
Yep, very nice. Okay, hold that position. Show me a coxa,
Right here.
trochanter,
Right here.
femur.
Here.
And the femur's right here.
Yeah. Okay. Which one? Okay. Every leg has a femur.
Yeah, but
And
I
then
like to
tibia?
use the big one. Here.
Oh, all right. And then tarsi, sternum. That's all we can do on that. Can you show me the abdomen?
This whole area.
Okay. Can you show me the
Tertium, right there.
No. Okay, sternum, tertium.
Prothorax.
Prothorax, mesothorax, please.
Mesothorax here.
Okay.
This area.
Okay. And the metathorax.
Mesothorax here.
Forewing, please.
Forewing right here.
Can you flip it forward?
And then the hind wing.
And we're supposed to be exposing the hind wing. There it is, the pink one. And then hold that forewing forward. Can you show me the tympanum, please?
Right here.
Good. Good. How about a spiracle?
I'm trying to see it in the light.
I think it's on the other side.
No, it should be right here.
Yeah.
It's a hole
A
somewhere.
little hole right there. It's supposed to be.
It's hard to see.
Okay. Do you have an ovipositor?
Yes, sure do. Right there.
Very nice. Good job.